If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to the Penny in Clutch wallet by Chris W. Designs. This is such an amazing wallet. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can see it's fairly large. It has a large flip lock here. It's fairly structured when it's made in vinyl. When you flip this up, you can see here we have 8 card slots and a large slip pocket. Lots of space here on the center section. I believe a phone will fit in there. I can't test it because my phone is actually recording this right now. 2 zipper pockets. And then there's a snap here which holds some more card slots that lay nice and flat. So we have 4 here plus an ID pocket, a slip pocket, a zipper, and 8 more card slots. Sorry, that was 8 card slots on that side, 8 card slots on this side. I am in awe with how many card slots you can get in one wallet. So opened right up, that's what that looks like. This would be super easy to add on straps if you wanted it to be. You could get strap connectors that hook on here, or I could always do a strap connector across the bottom that would hook to a shoulder strap if you wanted to turn it into a small little clutch bag. I love it as wallet size. This is a completely Brandy size wallet. This one actually may very well be going into my purse next because I don't think I can let this one go. It can be made in vinyls, it can be made in cottons, it can be made in canvases, whatever you'd want me to make it in, I can make it in that for you. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you want one of these, you know what to do. All my information is below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, this is actually our May 2023 Tuesday class so-longs on the membership side. So this will be made actually starting tonight, depending when you're watching this. So if you would like a slowed down version on how to make this, you can always join the membership side and sew this along with us, or catch the replays later on. And the tutorial for this will be released at the end of the month once classes are over. I can't wait to start making these. Anyways, until the next one, bye.